cool air coming out of there, right? And so so these people, you can imagine that their air conditioning is not very efficient. G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so I'm up in this roof, just putting some polyester in around the manhole and the downlights and that before we pump it with cellulose. And they've got this ducted aircon in here, and these are the condensers, and after we finish the job they've got this little drip tray down here, and we make sure we blow all that out and clean it out, and while we're up here we check things over. And this one here, you can see how the ducting's just sitting like that. There's actually cool air coming out of there, right? And so so these people, you can imagine that their air conditioning is not very efficient at the moment, and they're pumping all the cold air up into the roof cavity, and vice versa, letting it all the heat in when the aircon's not running. So this is just typical of the kind of things we see wrong up in roofs, that we often find. Now, if you're a subcontractor, or if you're, don't care about your customers, probably never ever tell them, and it's not your problem or whatever, but that's where I do a roof check with all my jobs and let people know if I find any things like that. I can't just fix that up. It's not an easy fix, because the actual ducting's wrecked. But if it was a simple, easy matter of taping it back on, I'd just tape it back on for them and let the customer know. But anyway, I'll let them know, and they can get an aircon guy to come and fix that.